trail is more than what's under your feet. That's why we built the women's Terravia Peak Tights with mixed conditions and bushwhacks in mind. These versatile, mid-weight tights are made using a hybrid knit and woven construction. Double knit jersey fabric along the calves and the sides of the legs offer maximum mobility, while woven reinforcements at the seat and along the front of the legs protect against rocks, branches, and backpack waist belts. Since the most rugged days on trail are also often the longest, we designed every aspect of these tights for prolonged comfort, including a gusseted crotch and a wide, high-rise waistband that hugs you securely. We even agonized over the seams. They're flat and sewn from a durable yet soft thread to minimize chafing. 2 deep drop-in pockets hold your phone, snacks, a small water flask, or even your wind shell. When the far edges of the map call, our Terravia Peak Tights answer. They're your durable, sweat-wicking second skin for all of the most rugged days in the wild.